My name is Jordan Abbott.
I'm Alyssa Wright.
I'm Noah Sheffield.
I'm an MTI DTC high school scholarship winner.
Scholarship winner,
And a graduate.
I'm confident in what I can do. I know what I can do. Anything I experienced here, I'll be ready for.
I learned so much in just a short amount of time. What I use right now in my job, when I think back.
Well, I love pretty much everything about it. There's some times that I got frustrated because I couldn't get to it, but instructors would help me and eventually got it. And then I look back at it now and I was like, I don't even know why I got stumped at it.
When I chose MTI, I was looking for something that would benefit me as a learner. In the classroom, I get lecture, I get that, but I want to be able to do it hands-on. And this place really stuck out to me, like here in the lab, I got to be hands-on and learn everything.
Getting started in my career sooner from coming to this school is definitely the big upside, the reason I came here, because I knew that I'd be able to go to school and then get out a lot quicker and be able to get on with my life.
I had seen a few other welding schools, but then I saw this, came down for an appointment and decided to come here.
I'd say Delta Tech is just by far the most hands-on school. I've toured about 5 or 6, and this one was just by far, it blew all the other ones away. The hands-on, the instructors, the financial aid, everything is just, they don't make it so complex that you can't really understand it. Everything pretty much just makes sense.
Classroom work, they made it easy for you. After you're sitting in there 2 hours, you didn't even realize it. Telling cool stories about when they worked in the field and everything. Being out here in the lab, people knew if you had your hood down here welding, they'd leave you alone. It was a fun time.
So how I found out about the school and the scholarship is Jeff Duke, he came to our school. This was during my whole process of looking and stuff, and so he was going off about dental assisting, and I was like, that's what I want to do. Then while he was there that day, he was going over our scholarship and he showed us the video of other scholarship winners. And I was like, oh, I could do that.
My mom brought up scholarships and he's like, yeah, we got this program. You had to do a video, sent that down, and I had to come down and see him again and do a little interview.
It was real easy. I just make a video, pretty simple. It's just pretty much talking about your life.
Probably written 50 essays for other scholarships, and then I realized it was a video, and I was like, oh, let's do it, And so I went home, wrote up a script, and I was like, all right, I'm gonna do it. And so went online, registered, and came here to apply, and then I did the scholarship. And it was the last day of high school, and I was checking my email, and it said, congratulations, you won a scholarship, MTI. And I just started bawling. That greater feeling on the last day of school was like, wow, I did it, and I'm ready for this.
And he's like, I hope I can make your day a lot better. You have won a full ride scholarship, and I fell to the ground. I was crying. Called my mom, she's crying over the phone. Went and saw my dad at work, told him, he cried. It was a real emotional time because you've been trying to figure out how we were gonna do this. I was gonna have to work full time while living down here because it's an hour and a half drive back to where I live. Having that full ride is just amazing.
It really helped me and my parents just because I did that mainly just to help my parents. I wanted my parents not to have to pay the full amount.
I was very blessed with the amount I received, and it had put me a mindset on all right, this is for me. It kind of just gave me that little push to go to school.
It's definitely worth applying for the scholarship, mainly just because, there's really nothing to lose. And it's very simple. All you do is apply and take the video and send it in. Super easy.
First day of college, I was like, I didn't know what to expect. The teachers were very welcoming, and they knew that we were nervous, but they just took it from there.
They made you feel like you were welcome here, and it was real easy for them to kind of tell me what I needed to do and do it. They made it real simple for me. It definitely set the tone. I really loved just everything about that first day.
If you needed help, all you had to do was stay outside your booth. They see you, they're, even if they're carrying something, they'll drop it and come over right over and help you. They're there for you, that's their job. They're here to help you, and they're really good at it.
I feel like MTI does do one-on-one more than I would think another school would. The smaller class sizes definitely, and what we have in the lab. If you are having trouble, come to the lab, the teacher will help you and get your things done.
They've built up the confidence that I know what I can do now.
I externed at a general dentist office, and that I really loved it. Something different every patient. And so that's what I wanted to, further my career in. Finally got a call, and I was like, would you like to come in for an interview? And I was like, yes, I would love to. And so that's when I really was like, all right, it's real now. I'm getting my first big girl job, and I'm so excited. And so that's what I'm doing now, and I absolutely love it.
My next step in my career is I'm planning to go to the Corps of Engineers in a couple of months. I'll be welding on barges. That's what I'm planning to probably spend a long time being up there. When
I started here, they said, if you qualify, we are going to get you the best darn job we possibly can. And they've definitely done that. I'm going to go work with HMT tanks, build the big old diesel, oil, crude gas tanks. This job I'll be starting off over $20 an hour.
If I had not won the scholarship, I would still come here. Like I said, the hands-on learning, that was all for me, and I was ready to do it. Just the scholarship was just an extra boost for me, and I was very blessed to receive that.
Making all the friends, you get real close with people here. So it's going to be a little upsetting when I leave. You know, I'm going to miss them, but I'll be back to visit.
Growing friendships and even coworkers maybe in the future. So I think making connections here at MTI is very important for the future.
You're going to enjoy your time here. Give it a try. I guarantee you're going to like it.
There's plenty of opportunities up here at the school. They have plenty of classrooms, plenty of different type of stuff that you can do. I mean, just for a couple months, it's definitely worth coming to school, and very hands-on, like I said, and just you won't regret it.